Hi friends, hope you're doing well. This video is going to be very important because in this video we will discuss about the issue of missing drivers. So if you didn't subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe it. And if you didn't hit the bell icon till yet, I request you hit the bell icon so that you can get updated yourself and you can get earlier videos as I launch. After that, the most important thing is that many users are facing the problem after the installation. They are missing and complaining that the drivers are missing. So if you are one who are facing this problem missing of drivers, then you are the not new. Many people are facing this problem. Thanks to Microsoft, everything is available inside the Windows update. So in this video, we will not use any third-party software. All we will do everything genuinely in front of you. If you have Windows 11, if you are the user of Windows 11, don't need to download any third-party software. You can do it through the Windows built-in function. So what you have to do, let's say if your sound driver or Wi-Fi driver, any driver is missing, what you need to do, you need to go inside the Windows update and make sure your Windows is up to date. Once you click onto the Windows update, then definitely you can, it will update your Windows. You have to make sure that you are up to date. Once you up to date, there's a 75 to 80% possibility that you will get the drivers and all the things will good go. And after that, you have to make sure that this option should be on for the in order to keep yourself updated, because once the Microsoft launch the update, and if this option is already on, then definitely you will get early updates as earliest launch from the Microsoft. So most important thing is 75 to 80% your issue will be fixed after making your system up to date. But if you are still facing the problem, then you have to do one more thing. Inside the Windows update, you need to go inside the advanced options. Then inside the advanced option, then you will have option updates. Inside the option updates, you can see that we have a driver update. One driver update is available over here. So in your case, obviously, if something is not installed in your computer like sound card, Wi-Fi or anything, that would be listed over here. You need to just check mark it and you need to download and install, and it will restart your system and your problem will be fixed once for all. And after that, there is 90% possibility after these two steps your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing any problem regarding your driver, then you need to find out your vendor of your laptop. Means, let's say, so in my case, I have Lenovo laptop. Maybe in your case, you will have HP laptop, Dell laptop, or any laptop. Just you need to go onto the official website of your company laptop, and definitely you can download the driver. So no need to download any third-party tool. Never rely on any third-party tool. Either you can download from the Microsoft if it is built-in package is available, or you can go onto the official website of your laptop. So in my case, my laptop is associated with the Lenovo company. So I have searched simply Lenovo drivers download, and just we need to click onto the driver and software, and we have a very good option in the Lenovo inside, and obviously I guess in Samsung and Dell would be too. Simply we have update of automatic update driver. Just we need to click onto the auto scan now, and it will find out automatically my missing driver and it will install. Or if he finds any driver that is not updated, it will update automatically. The second option is basically manual installing or manual update. So we need to select the driver over here. Just we need to click the on this select driver option, that is the manual method, and just we need to select our desired operating system, and we have tons of drivers available here which are listed. So all the drivers are available here and you can download any driver just doing single click. So that's all for today, and this is all about the video. So if you like this video, give the thumbs up and hit the bell icon. Forward to your family and friends. If you have any query, you can mention in the comment section. I will give you a reply as early as possible. See you, take care. See you in the next video.